Hi everyone, this is Junko. We're making miso soup today. Miso soup is one of the Japanese staple foods and it is traditionally served in every single meal. So you have it for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. And every household has their own their own recipe. And today I'm gonna show you how to make dashi and then how to make it into miso soup. So join me in the kitchen. First, you need a small piece of kelp and wipe off any white coating gently. And prepare a pot with 6 cups of water and then place this dry kelp into it. The heat is not turned on and leave it in room temperature water for about half an hour and take it out. Turn the heat to medium and bring it to simmer. Next, you need bonito flakes, katsuobushi, and then they come in different packages, and those small packets usually have about 3 to 5 grams. Either way, we need about 3 to 5 grams of bonito flakes. Once the water simmers, add bonito flakes and simmer it for 5 minutes. Now take out the bonito flakes. If you have a strainer like this, you can use it. Or you can use a colander and dump out all the water and put it back into a pot. This is your basic dashi. If you are adding vegetables to your miso soup, this is the time to cook. Today I'm adding thinly sliced white onion. For miso soup, every household has their favorite vegetables to add. You can add eggplant, potato, mushroom, whatever you want. Once your vegetable is cooked, it's time to add miso. Today I'm combining white and red miso. And by using a strainer like so, it is easy to dissolve miso, but you can also use 2 spoons to do this. After you add miso, make sure to turn the heat low, and you are going to add tofu. And you can use silky tofu or hard tofu. And add wakame seaweed. Here I am using dried wakame, and this has been soaked in the water for about 5 minutes, and discard the water before you add it to the soup. Turn the heat off and it's time to serve. For Japanese miso soup, we use smaller bowls like this. Here's your authentic Homey Miso Soup. You can garnish with a scallion. Here's today's recipe. And for more fun Japanese recipes, please visit my website at livingwithaccents.com. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you liked it, please click like button and then subscribe. Thank you for watching.